Already have test cases in Excel, CSV, or Google Sheets, or another tool? In this video, we'll show you how to quickly import them into Testiny using the built-in importer. Go to your test cases, open the menu, and click Import. Select CSV. If your file is in Excel format, save it as CSV first. For Google Sheets, simply download it as CSV. Upload your CSV file. The field mapping dialog opens. Here you define how columns from your CSV map to fields in Testiny. You'll see 3 columns: the input column, a preview of its content, and the corresponding Testiny field. Testiny automatically suggests mappings, but you can adjust them at any time. If a column isn't mapped automatically, select the correct field manually. If the field doesn't exist yet, create a custom field first and then map it. After confirming the mappings, Testiny shows a preview of the detected folders, test cases, steps, and field values. If everything looks good, click Import. Testiny shows a confirmation with the number of folders and test cases imported. And that's it. With Testiny's built-in importer, you can migrate existing test cases in just a few minutes, including folder structures, formatting, and custom fields. Thanks for watching.